In primetime news this evening, Quality Assurance, Caribbean Cement Company, assures customers that issues with imported cement will be addressed.
A defamatory and unsubstantiated. The management of the University Hospital of the West Indies defends Dr. Carl Bruce.
And the access to beaches debate intensifies. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, remember that floating bar in St. Anne which was destroyed during Hurricane Beryl? Well, it's back in operation. I'll have that and more later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And it's a big show today.
And you guys are twinning today.
We're twinning today. It's the day for blue. Renata Brown has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, Jamaican Rob Van Pole says his leadership style might have cost him the captaincy of the West Indies T20 team, and outspoken midfielder added to the Reggae Boys squad for Unity Cup. We'll tell you all about those stories and much more in Primetime Sports.
And you see, we planned it. We're in blue. So your throw is to someone who is in your color.
He's not in black. It's like a charcoalish type of color-ish type of thing. Anyway, Romain is here with a preview of the weather reports and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, for the rest of this week, we have isolated thunderstorms in the forecast, especially across sections of the southwest, and we are expecting the winds to begin dying down after Wednesday.
Okay, it's black. Okay,
it's black.
I stand corrected.
Okay, all right, good, because I don't know colors. So it is black. Romain will have more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also e-commentary and there's also sports commentary and e-prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the type of music used during the political meetings?
I cannot wait to hear your comments. You can share them online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post, as always, on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.